Hi, Logan here with Bluejay Industrial. Today we're going to show you how to put on a set of tire chains. First thing you want to do is lay out your tire chains. These are V-bar. You want to have the V-bars facing up so when you lay them on the tire they'll come in contact with the ground. You want to have your inside hook on the inside of the tire, boomer hook on the outside along with the cams. First thing you're going to want to do is grab these chains in the center, lay them on top of the tire, kind of get it evenly distributed on the tire so when you roll forward, they'll go on properly. Once you have that, you'll get in your vehicle and move forward just about a foot. Now once you move forward, come on the inside first and hook on your inside hook on the one that you can get on the tightest. Come along to the outside now. Hook your boomer hook. Again, the same one you can get the tightest. And once you've done that, take your cam gear wrench and lock in the cams. And if they're still a little loose, roll around about 100 feet or so and make more adjustments if you need to. Just like that. Thanks for watching.